2635, Western 1229. Okay. We got a 1571, cleared direct to base. Direct phase, United 1571. Establish on the final post course, clear for the RNAV, runway 18 left approach. 3000, so established, cleared RNAV 18 left approach. And south of 1793, flight at 120, please. Heading 120, south of 1793. 16,000 feet, heading 355, Delta 511. 06 along the tower, running 18 left, line of weight, traffic Airbus 320 on a 5-mile final. 18 left, line of weight, Delta 1506. June 10 o'clock, 3 miles southeastbound from southwest, Boeing 737 at 4,000, that travels going to the east side. Copy, looking in at, I am. Delta 1316, left turn 090. 090 heading Delta 1316. Rouge 1726, connect Jacksonville Center, 126.35. 2635, Rouge 1726. Right over to ground, see Delta 2019. And 121.8 for ground, yeah, 1344. In northwest, Monica 2400. Still looking at 762. Departure to contact, climb maintain 14,000. 514, 14,000, W612. United 1571, connect Jacksonville Center on 126.35. 2675, United 1571. Maintain 170 knots to 5-mile final, contact tower 124.3. 243175, final chip 24. 0 Foxtrot X-ray, okay, I see that now. Looks like they changed your flight plan. Stay on that angle, let me take a look at that real quick and I'll get you the correct flight. Okay, so stay on my present heading towards, is that correct? For 0 Foxtrot X-ray. Departure King Air 429, Delta Mike with you 4,000, heading 330 at the sign. On Sun Country 342 on Echo 4, taxi X-ray.
Sun Country 342, Orlando grounds, runway 18 left, taxi via Foxtrot Charlie.
18 left, Foxtrot Charlie, Sun Country 028, turn left at Bravo 7, contact ground 121.8. Left on Bravo 10, we're off the new bank, carrying 03. 6905.
126.905, Southwest 616, good day.
Yeah, 1571 Jacksonville Center on 126.35. 0 knots to 5-mile final, contact tower 124.3. 160 to 5-mile final over to tower 7068.
Verify heading 270.
Heading 270, Valor 9.
Bravo 11 to the ramp, contact ramp tower on taxiway Bravo.
18 left, clear to land. Clear to land, 18 left, 7068. 1793, coverage approach me 17 left, contact tower 18.45. Clear visual, 17 left, going tower south of 1793, good day. Southwest 3181, I'm on approach, about 10 degrees to the right, maintain 4,000. 10 degrees right, 4,000, southwest 3180. Chance here to look at the 2 flight plans. Now we go direct to Pokey, Papa Hotel Kilo, and then rejoin the flight plan from there.
850, roger, taxi to signature via taxiway Alpha. Where are you coming from?
Nicholson.
Okay, roger, Alpha to signature.
Alpha to signature, 2850, thank you.
Ground good day, Route 1634 on Foxford Gate 97.
1634, Orlando ground, Foxtrot Echo 4.
Foxtrot Echo 4, Route 1634, thanks. Maintaining 1000, 0 Get the visual. Thank you.
4.3.
443, Delta 664, no problem, good day.
Hold short of runway 18 left.
99, ready to push your southbound and ground point 8.
Okay, Joy Bravo, southbound ground point 8, Jeff is 24, 23.
Delta 664, checking in on 18 left. Delta 664 left turn, number 2, on ATR 76, 2 mile final, 18 right, Christian, 18 left, clear to land.
Land 18 left, copy traffic, Delta 664.
American 2119 will be about 2-3 more minutes, and I'll be able to get you out.
American 2119. Now 17 left.
We'll play on the ILS 17 left, 3181.
Taxiway Charlie. Aircraft 2, hold short of taxiway Charlie.
Hold short of taxiway Charlie.
Southwest 1199, we're pushing off 107.
Southwest 1199, 14107, this should be at your discretion, 17 right today.
Ground United 774, ready to taxi X-ray.
At 774, Orlando ground, runway 18 left, taxi via Charlie, follow Sun Country.
18 left via Charlie, we'll follow Sun Country, United 774.
429er Delta Mike, turn 10 degrees left.
10 degrees left, taking your forecast 320. Orlando ground, iconic 545, information X-ray over at Atlantic, ready for taxi.
Iconic 545, Orlando ground, new final altitude of flight level 310, 10 minutes after. So climb via the SID 310, 10 minutes after. Runway 18 left, taxi via Alpha, Bravo 1, hold short of runway 18 right.
Runway 18 left, Alpha Bravo 1, hold short of 18 right. Climb via the SID, expect 310, 10 minutes after departure. Iconic 545.
Spirit Tug 2, hold short now of runway 18 left at taxiway Juliet.
Continue on Charlie, hold short of 18 left on Juliet. Spirit Tug 2.
Spirit Tug 3, roger, contact tower 124.3.
And contact tower 24.3.
Country 342, pass behind Spirit right to left there on taxiway Juliet.
Pass behind Spirit, Sun Country 342.
Roger, Silver Wing 68, pass behind Sun Country, Charlie, Charlie 1.
Yeah, Sun Country, Charlie 1, Silver Wing 68.
At 774, pass behind the ATR at taxiway Bravo 5, left to right.
Orlando approach November 2062 Bravo 7000, and I am navigating to Sucre.
November 2062 Bravo, line approach, thank you. Altimeter 29er 85.
62 Bravo, thank you.
Approach Falcon 711, Papa Victor's leveling 9,000, we have Delta, heading 020. Center maintain 5,000. Down to 5,000, 1 Papa Victor. That's 1 left on Julia, hold short on 1 right, Spirit Tug 3.
Delta 664, continue down the runway all the way down to Echo, left turn at Echo, ground point 8.
Echo, left turn, ground point 8, Delta 664. There's 3181, contact tower 18.45, good day, sir.
Party Tower, Southwest 3191, take it easy.
On the face or Missoula?
We're on the face.
You're going to get 17 right. We have a closure on the west side, so 17 right.
Okay, Roger, thanks. Southwest 1199, we're taxi, we got Zulu.
1199 Orlando ground, runway 17 right via the inner ramp, or runway 17 right at Hotel 2 via the inner ramp, taxi Hotel 2.
Alright, via the inner ramp and Hotel 2 for departure off of 17 right, Southwest 1199. Now Delta 664 on Echo for 73.
To 664 Orlando ground, continue on Echo and Echo 5 to the ramp.
Echo 5 and ramp Delta 664.
Roger, Southwest 1793, join taxiway Gulf, Bay Gate.
American 2118, RNAV Villains, 18 left, over takeoff. RNAV to Villains, and runway 18 left, clear for takeoff, American 2119. Southwest 318, left there, 18 left, line point. 18 left, line point, Southwest 318.
Smooth reports for aircraft 20 and 30 miles out in front of you.
12,000, what's the altitude of the
7,000. 3,000. Clear, 1 all right, on Julian.
Roger.
I know we're on 1 Papa Victor, it's 718 4,000 feet.
Down to 4,000, 1 Papa Victor. 54 out of 9,000 for 7,000 when they get out. Up to 2,800, climbing 4,000, heading 110.
142 Delta 1, approach climb, maintain 6,000.
Maintain 6,000, 142 Delta. 2854.
The 1793 company traffic is exiting at Hotel 2. You can enter the ramp at Gulf 1 and have a great afternoon. Alright, thanks, Georgia. Alright, Gulf 1, Southwest 1793.
2119, contact departure. Contact departure, American 2119. Southwest 318, RNAV Villains, runway 18 left, clear for takeoff.
Alright, RNAV Villains, 20 left for takeoff, 318.
Southwest tree 342, left tower, 18 left, line of weight. 18 left, line of weight, plug up there, 342.
American 2119 Orlando, advance radar contact, climb and maintain 16,000, flighting 250.
Maintain 16,000, heading 250, maintain 2119.
8 to 11, runway 17 right, taxi via Hotel 2.
Hotel 2 to 17 right, and got the 8 to 11 time, Delta 2360.
2360, roger, and it's a Hotel 2 intersection departure, so 17 right, Hotel 2.
17 right, Hotel 2, Delta 2360. And Orlando ground,
1673 Orlando ground, runway 17 right, runway 17 right at Hotel 2, taxi via Echo short of Gulf.
Alright, Echo short of Gulf, right at Hotel 2.
2128, continue via Hotel 2 for runway 17 right.
Hotel 2 for 17 right, back 2128. Back Osprey, American 2119. Second Street 42, RNAV Villains, 18 left, go for takeoff.
RNAV Villains, 13 off 18 left, Second Street 42.
At tower, iconic 505, iconic 545, left tower, roger.
2854 now, to clearance right about 2 more miles, stay with me.
Out of that.
Good night, 2854, speed 3,000 feet, your discretion now.
Alright, down to 3,000 feet, tower discretion. Was that for the intercept, United 2854?
Good night, 2854, yeah, 3,000, speed your discretion, and again, I'm telling you here in 2 miles to join.
Roger that, 3,000, speed our discretion, United 2854.
Say 181 at Foxtrot crossing 17 right past behind the American on Hotel, ground 20.
Alright, we'll cross 17 right, a Foxtrot behind American on Hotel ground, 28 Southwest left 220, maintain 3,000 till established, cleared for the RNAV 18 left approach, 2854.
Departure, Sun Country 342 today.
Iconic 545, fly heading 140, climb maintain 7,000 feet, runway 18 left, over takeoff. Heading 140 to 7,000, runway 18 left, clear for takeoff, Iconic 545. 1199.
Gain 16,000.
16,000, 342.
Southwest 318. I'm sorry, I forgot if you actually checked in. You are radar. Contact Lima 4500. Climb and maintain 16,000 if I didn't tell you.
Okay, up to 16,000, we're going direct off right now, so 318. Okay, we'll go Golf 1 to 122, Southwest 31A.
And route 1673 behind Southwest, then join Hotel 2 to 17 right.
Alright, Hotel 2 behind Southwest. Arnett Village, runway 18 left, over takeoff. Over takeoff, 18 left, Arnett Village, United 774.
American 2119, contact Jacksonville Center 135.75.
13575, American 2119.
0933 Romeo Golf. Turn right heading is 025.
025 on the heading, Citation 3 Romeo Golf.
Yeah, I'm sorry, and I see you on 11,000. Just climb and maintain 11,000, please. November 9033 Romeo Golf.
Alright, we'll take 11, 3 Romeo.
Sun Country 342, pursue direct red top.
Direct red tag, Sun Country 342.
Climb at 7,000, heading 140.
Top 545, line approach, ready contact, maintain 7,000, higher Charlie.
Maintain 7,000, Iconic 45. Orlando Tower, United 2854, inbound RNAV 18 left. United 2854, left tower, wind 21012, 18 left, clear to land. 18 left, clear to land, United 2854.
Southwest 1199, turn left heading at 030, climb maintain 16,000.
Heading at 030, climb maintain 16,000, Southwest 1199. That's Frontier Flight 3043, information Zulu, ready to taxi.
I was just working on your time to O'Hare. If you can expect runway 18 left, taxi via Charlie.
Here, expecting runway 18 left, and we'll taxi via Charlie, Frontier Flight 3043.
Hey, 12 Lima Papa, line approach, load, maintain 8,000.
Maintain 8,000, with Chili Bob. Steve. 16,000, United 774. 3 and 18 Frontier 3043.
13 and 16.
13 and 16. Copy, Frontier Flight 3043.
Direct Osprey.
Frontier Director Osprey, United 774.
For 2 Lima Papa, descend maintain 5,000.
Consider maintain 5,000, name with Chili Bob.
Iconic 545, left heading at 090, climb maintain 16,000.
Heading at 090, 6,000. Iconic 545.
Iconic 545, to continue left turn heading 360, when able direct to Buffy.
Heading at 360, when able, direct to Buffy. And, or sorry, Iconic 545. Approach, Frontier Flight, first of 500, descended via the bridge to the south.
Frontier 1564 on approach, roger that, maintain your present heading, turn 5 degrees to the left.